in order to download YouTube app on your Mac. So first we have to open Safari browser and search YouTube. Then click on File and click Add to Dock. Here just remove this and click on Add. I have already YouTube app on my dock, so that's why is mentioned already exists. So do you want to replace it? Replace. So automatically YouTube icon came on the dock, and here we can see YouTube application is downloaded. So we can open YouTube directly from dock. See, YouTube is open directly. So this is the video. Thank you for watching.